Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, I gave you some tips to help you to choose your first camera. And I promised you that in my next video, I'm gonna recommend a few cameras to you to start your photography journey. It is very hard to choose your first camera. It's a challenge because there are many options. And all depends on what you want to do, what kind of photography you want to do. Are you more going to be into taking pictures or you want to get into video? And what is so important for you? Are you going to shoot in daylight? Are you concerned about shooting in low light? So it all depends on what you need and what you want. So without any further ado, let's jump into today's video and take a look at some of the cameras that are suitable for beginners at a very affordable price. This is a DSLR camera. It's got the battery life for 1500 shots. The pros are it has excellent image quality, great battery life, and it's a lightweight for DSLR. Cons are no 4K video and the LCD screen is fixed. Canon EOS R50 is a mirrorless camera. Has a battery life of 440 shots. Pros are compact, fast autofocus, and flip touchscreen. Cons are short battery life compared to DSLRs. This is a mirrorless camera. It has great picture quality and it's super fast autofocus and 4K video without crop. The cons are no in-body image stabilization or IBIS, no headphone jack, and complicated menu. This is Nikon's best mirrorless for beginners. It's got the battery life for 330 shots. Pros are compact and lightweighted, and no recording limit in 4K. Great autofocus with eye tracking and flip out touchscreen for vlogging. Cons: no built-in viewfinder and no IBIS. This is a DSLR camera. Battery life is good for 800 shots. Pros are excellent image quality, fast autofocus, and fully articulating touchscreen. And cons are 4K video is cropped 1.6, and dual pixel AF doesn't work in 4K, and it's heavier than mirrorless option. This is a mirrorless camera, and it's got fully articulating touchscreen and 4K video with no crop, great image quality, and USB charging. And the cons are it's got only one card slot, and it's got no IBIS and it relies on the lens stabilization. Limited battery life and no headphone jack, and it's not weather sealing. This is a great mirrorless camera for beginners. It weighs only 343 grams. Pros are excellent autofocus with real-time tracking, flip out the screen for vlogging, compact and lightweight, and good 4K video quality. But got no IBIS and it's got no built-in viewfinder. Nikon Z50 is the best mirrorless hybrid for photos and videos. Cons are it's compact and it's got an excellent low light performance and high quality EVF electronic viewfinder. And the cons are It's got fewer native lenses compared to Canon and Sony, and it's got no IBIS. This camera shoots up to 9 frames per second, and it has a battery good for 290 shots. It has IBIS, and it is weather sealed 4K video, fully articulating touch screen and USB charging. Cons are a small sensor and also rolling shutter in 4K. This is Sony's best hybrid for beginners. Battery is good for 420 shots, weighs only 396 grams. Pros are fast autofocus, good battery life, and 4K video with no crop. Cons are no IBIS and basic menu system, not user-friendly. This crop sensor camera battery is good for 380 shots, and the cons are its excellent image quality, improved autofocus, great video feature, better LCD screen, and film simulations. There's no IBIS and just one card slot, and it's not weather sealing. Okay folks, this is it. I hope this video helped you to make a decision and buy your first camera. And I wish you a beautiful journey, joyful journey into the world of photography and videography. Thanks again for watching the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I'm posting a video on Monday or Tuesday every week. So by subscribing, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. If you have any question regarding photography or videography, just leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. It's going to be my pleasure. And as usual, take good care of yourself and keep shooting. I see you soon. Cheers.